Tom, you really don't know how blessed you are. Your wife is such a great cook.
Oh well, my mother is a great cook, so that I wouldn't have ended up with a woman who doesn't know how to cook as a wife.
Wait, but do you mean what you said about your wife cooking 3 times in a day?
Oh well, yes. My wife doesn't work. As a matter of fact, I stopped her from working so that she can take care of the house properly. So I don't see any reason she would not cook as many times as I want her to and do other things, if you understand what I mean.
Anyways, you're such a lucky man. You're blessed.
Oh well, I wouldn't see that as luck. You see, I am the man of this house. I provide everything needed here. You understand me? So, any woman who doesn't do my bidding, I don't see what she will be doing in my house.
Anyways, I wish to be like you.
Get into the car, let's go back to work. You're already doing good, but then as you make your bed...
That job of yours is causing you your responsibilities at home, your marital obligations, then I'll be left with no other choice than to stop you from working. I'm sure you heard me right.
You say? What did I just
say?
You
heard me clearly.
Really? My dear, you have no such rights. Listen to me. Before you married me, I made it clear to you from the get-go that my job is my life dream. I mean, my passion. And under no circumstances will I ever quit the job. So, listen to me. You quit tripping. Okay? Yes!
Did you tell me it was going to stop you from doing your job as a woman? What? Now listen to me and listen good. I am the head of this family and my word shall be obeyed to the last.
And what is that wife duty that I'm supposed to do?
As a wife, you're supposed to cook for your husband.
Oh.
Your husband's stomach should be the first thing ever.
I see. In that case, I will employ a cook.
Where? In my house?
Of course, in this house. You want food. I am going to employ a cook because I am sick and tired of going over this over and over again with you. If you're not tired, I am exhausted.
And who will be taking care of his or her salary?
I will take care of the salary.
Oh, that's it. That's just the point. Because you make money yourself. You no longer see yourself as a woman who should be under a man. Let me tell you, you are not employing any cook that will be cooking my meals. My wife will be cooking my food. You will be the one preparing my food. And I want that to sink in your head. Let it sink.
Fabian, what in the world is the color of your problems, if I may ask? Wait a minute. You're trying to take me back to your father's days? When women were subjected to different inhumanity. Hell no! We are in a different world right now where women employ the help of a chef or cook to be helping out in their husband's houses. Okay? So you better wake up to realities or you remain in the olden days.
Sonia, it's obvious you don't know anything about marriage. You don't know your duty as a wife.
A cook or no food?
Nobody's cooking for me. Nobody. Yes, I married you with my money. I married you and you must cook for me in this house.
Get ready to starve then. Get ready to starve. Also, I will pay you a proper visit. I promise you.
Sonia.
Yes.
Sonia.
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me you were coming back home with someone?
Because I didn't plan on coming back home anyway. I was just in the car park about entering a car and he opted to come with me. I couldn't say no. That's it. Wait, I should have said no because I didn't tell my wife?
Tom, a call to me while you were driving back home would have made a difference. For goodness sake, I am your wife. I am not your maid. You need to realize that.
Why are you always trying to make trouble? Why are you making a mountain out of a molehill? What did I do wrong?
Tom, I deserve some respect. I mean, what would it cost you? Hello, baby. I am coming back home with a friend and we're coming back home for lunch. Why wouldn't you make that kind of call? Of course, no, you wouldn't do it because you don't regard me as your wife.
Oh, wow.
Really? Tom, I was expecting you to say sorry. Baby, I am sorry, not now. Wow. But of course you married me with your hard-earned money.
I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to excuse yourself from your wifely duty to me tonight. That's what you're trying to do, but it's fine. Tomorrow is another day, and by tomorrow, trust me, you won't have any excuse.
Well, I am going to make this clear to you. We are not just talking about tonight. I am talking about tomorrow, the day after, weeks to come, and even months to come.
Wait, what did you say about
Tom,
tomorrow?
Tom, please.
You know, from the look of things, from the way I see that guy, sincerely, I do not think that I will marry the man. Like, I'm not saying the possibility. Sincerely, I'm not.
What do you mean by that?
Huh? This guy is local. This guy is ras. This guy is... I can't even quantify him. This guy is just... I don't know. I cannot marry him. It's not possible.
Don't worry. He will change.
Who will change?
Trust me. He will.
No, he will not change. A guy that cannot even say, baby, sweetheart, my world, my treasure, my heart, you know, it's always, joy, be here, joy, be here, joy, be here. Like a cuckoo. You know, it's so annoying. I can't, because stop laughing now. It's not funny. I'm not joking now. It's not funny.
Oh my God.
You know, the worst is, for instance now, he wants to make love, right? He wants to have sex. Normally you try from the introductions, you know, from 1 to 3, 4. He gets from 1 to 10. You know, he can't even hold me, cuddle me, make me feel like a woman, make me feel like I want him, you know, make me wet.
Don't worry, my dear. He will change.
He will not change, and you know it.
Trust me on this.
I will not trust you. I won't trust you. And as it stands now, I do not think I will marry that guy. Like, it's not possible. I cannot marry him.
No, babe. You don't have to do that. That guy is a prayer answered to your family. Your family has always known the life of penury and abject poverty. I think God sent that man to help your family from all this poverty.
There's something you don't understand about life. You see, life is not about money. Like, everything is about money. Most times, your happiness is paramount. Seriously, money is not everything.
Babe, trust me, you will not regret it. Marry this guy. You will not regret
You
this.
know that that is not true. You are just trying to persuade me and it's not even funny. It's not funny. I know what I'm saying.
You will not regret it. Please, marry this guy.
I saw this on time. I noticed this and I wanted to run for my dear life. But Oma gave me false hopes that he would change after our marriage. 2 years down the line, he is getting worse. I am not going to continue like this. Heaven knows I won't. This is not my ideal marriage. Oma, you brought me into all this. Now you are enjoying your marriage while I'm here suffering. God knows I can't. No, I cannot. It's either it changes now or I quit this whole thing. I can't. I can't.
Tom. Please stop.
Come.
Tom,
Just
Tom, please, just stop. Please.
Babe, I want to stop, but this guy is not resting. Just the tip. Just the tip.
Tom, stop. Please.
Calm down.
Just, Tom, take you and your tip to the other side of the bed. Please.
No, just
Tom.
Okay, let me just remove. Please don't go. Don't go now. Please let me be involved.
Baby. Babe. Stand up, let's go inside. Let's go to the room.
Mommy, I want to sleep here, please.
What do you mean by you want to sleep here? Let's go inside.
Oh my God.
This is not a bed.
Can you just allow me? I know, I just want to sleep here. Please.
You're only running away from your wifely duties and you know that. You should be on your matrimonial bed, not on the cushion in the living room where it's meant to entertaining visitors alone.
Oh my God. I just can't get a break from you. Listen, I hate that I'm having to explain myself because I really do not want to. You said it already. Yes, I am running away from you. Because I am not in the mood. You get it right now, right? Okay. Can I be allowed to sleep?
Suit yourself.
Don't blame me. After a hectic day in the office, you still want me to come and do what with you? As what? I beg. Find your levels. Madam, how may we help you?
I heard you're a marriage counselor and that you revive marriages that are about to break.
That's correct.
Okay. Like I was almost considering a divorce with the animal I call my husband. You know, he's just so annoying. He's so local. I wanted to end it all with that animal I call a husband. But when I was told about you, I said, okay, let me come give your magic a trial.
Okay.
My husband is so unromantic. Like, he's so annoying. He cannot even call me by a pet name, you know, like baby, sweetheart. Even in public, he calls me by my name. Joy, be here. Joy, be here. You know, with his harsh and coarse voice. He's so annoying. You don't want to know.
Wow. Is that all?
No, that's not all. He's so romantic. He doesn't know how to kiss a woman. You know, make you want him. How to even make a woman wet? No, he doesn't. Once he wants to have sex, we just want to go in and come down. Just like that. He can romance me, make me feel him. You know, he's so crazy. I don't know how. In fact, I am tired of him. But I actually hope and pray you can actually work for me and let my marriage come back to a very sweet thing. Please.
I'm so sorry to hear about all that, madam. Thank you. Trust me, I want you to know that there is no problem without a solution.
Oh, okay.
I've heard everything you said about your husband not being romantic and, you know, yeah. But I want you to know that it can still be amended.
Oh.
You can still correct it.
Thank God.
It is not the end of your marriage. Okay? God. So what we do is we have to invite your husband over and then proceed with our talk sections.
Wow. Thank God. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Sincerely, I can't.
Alright then, I will need you to help us with his contact. Drop his number here.
Okay.
Yeah. We invite him over for... Let's see what we can do, okay?
Yes.
But you must know that this is a different package from the one you already subscribed for.
Of course, money is not an issue. I don't mind to pay anything to get my man back, to have him change for good. Thank you.
He will change. Just drop his number, okay?
Thank you.
Don't worry, settle.
Thank you.
Just drop his number here.
Babe, how did it go?
she said she would have a talk section with him. And then after that, he would change.
Wow. I told you that they are experts on that. I told you. Oh.
I sincerely pray so.
Please. I don't want you to see it as if I misled you. I was only trying to help. See, now, you now drive your own car. Live in a good apartment. And your parents living in a good apartment too. That is what I was seeing when I was insisting you marry that man. Please, I never know it will turn out this way.
The bottom line is that I pray. In fact, I'm hopeful that it changes. But if after everything he does not change, from me to you, sincerely, I would take a walk out of this marriage. Like, I would not turn back.
He will change. Eh? He will change. God will do it for us. God will do it for us. He will change.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Should I walk away? Should I give it a break? Should I fight it out?
Who is this? Tell me who you are first. Oh, okay. On marriage? Okay, I should come to your office tomorrow morning. It's alright. So, but what exactly am I coming to do? It's alright. It's alright. Okay, I'll be there. Yeah, thank you.
Oh my God, please help me, oh. Baby, show me some love. Show me some love, baby, more. Show me some love. I need your attention. I'm not asking too much. Show me some love. I need your pamper.
No, welcome.
Biajoy, did you give anybody my number?
I don't understand.
Someone called me and she was telling me I should come to the office tomorrow morning, that she's a marriage counselor.
Okay, maybe you should go and know why she's calling you.
Maybe I should go and know why she's calling me. And how did she get my number?
If you get it tomorrow, you will know how she got your number. I don't know.
What did you cook?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti kwa? Which one is spaghetti again? Mburacha road in Mafia. You expect me to eat spaghetti?
Baby, I garnished it well.
And I garnish again. I'm to garnishing. Go to the kitchen and make swallow for me.
Now, Balia.
Ototwa. Swallow. Swallow. Swallow, swallow, swallow.
Only swallow. Come and push me. Carry me both my gun, cook swallow. So you don't have a choice.
So, my wife is here.
Joy came to this place and I was asking her last night. She was pretending as if she doesn't know what I was talking about.
Mr. Ogolo, I want you to know that your wife loves you very much. So much. And she knows that you love her too. All she's asking for is a little romance. She wants you to be romantic a little. You know, pet her, call her pet names, you know, pamper her like, you know, we women, we love pampering a lot. Just the way a mother pampers her newborn baby. Every woman wants and craves for pampering, that kind of pampering. That's what your wife is asking for. Stop embarrassing her publicly. Even if you need to correct her, you do that with love. That's all. Okay?
So this is why I was called to this place.
You don't like what I'm saying?
Why will I like what you're saying? Eh? Okay, fine. I want to ask you one question.
Go ahead.
Are you married?
I am.
I didn't say you should show me your ring. Anju. You're married, eh?
Very well married.
Okay, fine. How romantic is your husband? On a water pipe of ma? Yes.
That's my personal life.
Oh, that's your personal life, eh? So the one you are discussing now, is it not my personal life?
Your wife walked into this establishment, into this office, to report this case to us. And by so doing, it automatically makes it our business. It's no longer your private life alone.
Why do people like living fake lives?
Excuse me?
Yes. So you want me to be coming here to take lectures on how to be romantic? Romantic on the Tigon account? Huh? You want me to be coming here to be lectured on how to be romantic when your husband is not even romantic?
Thank you. Adon, excuse me, you have no right whatsoever to talk about my husband in that manner, okay? You don't know him, you don't know us.
Says who? Let me tell you, I don't need to know your husband to know that as I'm looking at you now, that you had a fight with him before coming to this office. Yes! Stop deceiving yourself. Teach women how to respect us. Teach women how to be submissive to us. That is what we ask for. Let me tell you, I will continue shouting on her until she learns how to respect me as the husband. Let her treat me as a king I am. Then I will now reciprocate. I am out of here. And if you know what is good for you, teach them to respect us as the husband. Excuse me.
Okay. So Joy reported me to that Ochakomaka. Joy, you reported me to that Ochakomaka. Okay, unless you're not coming back to the house. Anywhere you like, you should hide. Unless you're not coming back to the house.
God, he looks so furious.
How did he go?
You don't give that man the respect he deserves as your husband.
I don't understand. Did he complain to you that I do not respect him? But how would I respect a man that doesn't treat me right? How? That's not possible.
Be the change you want. The change you desire. Start it first. Treat him as he should. Accord him the respect he deserves as your husband and watch that man be the man you desperately want him to be.
Joy, how did it go?
Can you imagine? My husband said I do not respect him. He was complaining to the lady that I don't respect him. Then she now said that the change I want to see should start from me. That I should start respecting him and then I will see that things will change. Like, I don't understand.
No. Maybe that's the magic that will bring the change you desire in him. You are the woman here. The one is in a one. Maybe you should change first.
I don't understand. Like I'm so confused. How do I change first? What are you even saying? A man that does not respect me, a man that talks to me carelessly and rudely, how? How should I respect such a man? How? Like, how? Does it make sense to you?
I am sorry. I'm only trying to be of help.
Oma,
Because
I understand and I appreciate your help. But please, what are you saying? Listen to me. I'm a girl that is well-trained. Azomofuma. Do you understand? I am well-trained. I'm well-mannered. I have respect. People I see on the streets, anywhere, anybody I see, I respect them. Then why would I respect my husband in the house? Why? A man that married me, I will respect him. But my darling, you know that it's not my fault. That man is the cause of everything. He needs to change first. When he begins to respect me and talk to me like his wife, you will see that everything will be okay. Not me, because my mother will tell me that no built on a built on kill you. You don't know. You want to that beg.
I understand you, but you see, just like the marriage counselor advised, some men are like that. They wouldn't want to change until they see you change first. Just in your own case now. You've been married to him for many years now, and he didn't change. Nim, why don't you change towards him first and see if he will reciprocate the change?
Yeah.
Biko.
No matter Castello. Because you know it's going to be very hard. Okay, this seriously extremely hard. Because that kind of person, I will try, man. It will be hard. It will be hard because
Just try. Just try now.
Let me open the car.
I don't understand. What's all this? Why would you do that? What's all this? What's wrong with you? Joy, I'm asking you. How can you be this stupid and senseless? At your age, you still behave as if in no sense. How can you report me, your husband, to another woman who is probably having issues with her husband? Why will you do that? Sweetheart, she is a marriage counselor. She's an expert in such issues, marriage issues. You know, so I just feel you should keep going for our talking classes and then you'll see that you will change. Get out! Get out! Walk there! Are you alright? Wait, I should go there and be listening to the rubbish that should be telling me? Me? Go there and be listening to the rubbish that small girl be telling me. Someone that is probably having issues with her husband, I should be going there to be listening to her. Sweetheart, how do you even know that she has issues with her husband? I should know. Yes, because there's no perfect marriage in this world. There is no perfect marriage in this world. People cover the loopholes in their marriage, but stupid ones like you wash their dirty linens outside. Yes, you tell the whole world how you live in your family. You know that your sense is now coming up. Like you're having too many sense now. Good. Your sense is now getting bigger. You know, you've been insulting me since so. You've been abusing me since I've been keeping quiet. Can make a good wife, as they said. They just calm down. No, I am used to your insult now. You can go ahead and insult me. Insult me. I am used to it.
Why would I insult you? What did you?
You try changing me?
Yes, you changing again. Abu Gon. You know Yala. Yes, you are a monkey. You are Ugambia. You are just. You are Ugambia. You are Nyara.
You insulted me.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. You want fight? Abi?
Guinea.
It's all good.
Oga, be careful.
Anya,
Be careful, oh.
Me.
Yes, be careful.
Me.
Okay.
Be careful.
Let's see.
Don't worry.
Ah,
You got now. You see it now.
Okay.
Enough. You want to try me now? Come.
Hey!
What kind of marriage is this? What kind of a mistake of a man did I end up with? Other couple goes to see the marriage counselor and change for good. At least I decided to start giving him the respect he complained about. But no, he would not change. He had to push me to the wall with his abusive words till I had no option than to retaliate. Is this how I am going to stay? God forbid. Instead of living in hell in the name of marriage, I better stay single. God knows I cannot continue like this. Never. Yes, I will just die of depression.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me?
Hey. Baby. You know, I even said, okay, maybe it's my fault somehow. Let me just try and change the narratives, okay? I was being so nice. You know, he got back from work. I said, baby, welcome. How was your day? Like, I missed you. I was just being so romantic and all sweet and all loved up. My sister, the guy changed her for me. He changed her for me as in ASAP. And he was just shouting down the whole building like a madman, like a mad dog. Can you imagine? Hey. What nonsense?
Hey. Name Diga abukwa kegu situation.
All the worse than that. All the worse than that. He was abusing me, using all sort of words on me, insulting me for what? For being a loving wife. I do not understand it. Like, I don't get it. Can you imagine? Now, okay, honey, calm down. I'm sorry. I'll give you when now. I shall not vibrate. Change anything. I changed it for him. He was like, I give him as the hot in his own coin. I changed it for him. He was so confused. Yes, so because when you call, who the hell are you? Like, what are you? Who help?
Hey,
what rubbish?
That your husband is a devil.
Oh yeah, that one. The worse than devil. Worstest than devil. He's a Lucifer. He's a wicked human being. He's an abomination.
Hey, Biko, did he say he was not going to go for the talking section with the marriage counselor again?
If we go near now, see your friend now.
Hey.
No, look at pity me now. All my money gone. Like all the money I paid for that thing, wasted and gone. Look at me, a good wife, trying to make our marriage work. That's nonsense human being. Refused bluntly. But it's fine. No problem. So what do you know?
Hey. I think the best thing to do now is to take him to God in prayers. That's the only thing though. That's the only
Because can you hear? It's not getting. Take who to what in prayers? Or is it crippled? I don't understand. Me, pray for who? Pray for who? It's also only possible. I cannot even try it. Okay? Pray for who? Because what?
Relax.
Mind yourself. Oh. Mind yourself. Mind yourself, please. Just mind yourself. Before all this go, all this your advice, relax, it will change. It's enough. I've had enough. Like up to here, I don't change anymore. How about this? Relax. Just happy because you haven't getting me pissed. How about this? The thing now is, I will just keep sleeping in that house. I will manage it. But the day I will just wake up or do me say, bam. Me say, oh God, this is the end of the road. Or God, or some today or end to go. I will just take a walk because I cannot even deal Like I'm going so crazy. I can't deal. What is this?
Tom, I was telling Nick of how good your wife is and he was doubting me.
I said I must come to witness to this great testimony. That was too much. I'm telling you.
Listen, Nick, I am not hyping anyone. I'm only telling you the obvious truth.
Okay, it's fine. It's almost lunchtime. Why don't you tell me what you would like to have? So I can call her and then we can all go for lunch together. How about that?
Oh, nice.
Are you not stressing that young lady?
Stress? Why did I marry her in the first place?
Okay.
Okay.
I think I'll go with the egusi soup you guys ate the last time.
Me too.
Okay, maybe I'll join the bandwagon and have egusi soup and pounded yam too. Let me call her.
Hi, babe.
Yes, change of plans. The rice and stew. Something. I would like to have egusi soup and pounded yam. I'll be coming with 2 of my friends.
Thomas, I am already preparing the rice.
Stop it then.
Listen, I don't even have ingredients to make egusi soup.
The market is just a few minutes drive, so go get it. This is just 11:30 and we'll be coming by 12:30. That means you have 1 hour. Okay? So, you have yourself egusi and pounded yam.
I can't even wait.
That's just it. I mean, well, how hard can it be to eat a good homemade meal for lunch? That's what I do every day.
We confirm it.
You will see and taste by yourself.
Yes. Confirm it.
Regret you have just now. Just.
Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Is this how love will treat me?
Thomas called. He said his friends are coming over for lunch. And they requested for pounded yam and egusi soup. I don't have enough ingredients at home. I need to rush off to the market to get some.
So go and get some.
Okay, ma. Would you be needing anything from them?
I don't need anything, just go. Make sure you come back on time because he says he's coming with his friends. Go, go, go.
Sorry. Okay.
I'm dying in silence. I'm dying in silence. I thought they say that marriage is a beautiful thing, but mine is different. But mine is different. Oh my God, please help me, oh. Baby, show me some love. Show me some love, baby, more. Show me some love. I need your attention. I'm not asking too much. Show me some love. I need your pamper.
It's again traffic.
Show me some love. I'm not asking for much. Show me some love.
What's this one driving?
God do me my love. I'm not asking for much. Show me some love. It's me and you forever. God has joined together. No one puts us under. Don't forget how we started this love.
I need to get money urgently. I don't want to keep them waiting. It's going to get out.
No one puts us under.
I should just inform them.
What else can I do? Someone tell me now. I am sick and tired of this situation. The more I try, the worse it becomes. If I had known, I wouldn't have got my say in this. What a good woman with good heart. Ooh. But marriage has turned her to a slave, a slave. Is this how love will treat me? I'm in pain, I'm in pain. Is this how
This is not working.
will treat me?
What is going on today? What is going on?
I'm in pain. Should I walk away? Should I give
Get
it
a
a
peace.
How much, ma'am?
10,000 naira.
Should I add the charges?
Yes, please. I'm just trying to make it snappy a bit, okay? I'm in a haste.
And I'm saying it's declined.
Sorry, please, just try it again.
It's still declined.
Let me see. I just used this card and Madam, they've debited me twice.
It's
you're saying-
network.
Which one is network?
It's
They've
bank network.
But they've removed the money from my account now. They debited me twice.
Look at it here. It's declined.
You're showing me what do you want me to do with this? Please just look for a way to give me back my money.
Madam, it's your bank network.
Which one is my bank? I'm telling you that they debited me twice. You're telling me
This
it's
thing
my...
is declined, ma'am.
Ha! Madam, Biko, I beg. I don't have strength. I don't even have the time for this. I'm in a haste. Kindly look for a way and give me back my money.
Check your receipts now. This thing is declined.
So what do you want me to do?
It's not my fault, too.
Whose fault is it? Mine? Madam, Biko, I don't want issues. I don't even have strength for problems right now. Just look for a way and give me back my money so that I can go. You're telling me it's not your fault. Whose fault is it? Mine?
It's bank network. It's
Madam,
bank
give me my
network.
money. I now see bank network. Let me have my money back.
Come on in. Welcome. Fellas. Mommy, you will not stop radiating.
Good afternoon.
My friends.
I can see you. Good afternoon, my dears. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Where is my wife? I didn't perceive any aroma while coming in.
That's because she hasn't cooked anything. She left this house since morning. Said she was going to get some stuff from the market. I haven't seen her.
Very fine, mommy. Come in. Mom, meet my beautiful girlfriend, Margaret, the girl I've been telling you about. Margaret,
Good evening, Ma.
my beautiful mom.
Yeah. Good evening, Ma.
Where are you from?
I'm from Imo State, Ma.
And whose daughter are you?
My father is late and my mom lives.
Who was your father before he died?
My father was a village carpenter.
Excuse you?
Yes, Ma. He was a village carpenter.
Tom.
Yes, mommy.
This is the person you want to spend the rest of your life with?
Yes, mom. Isn't she
The
beautiful?
daughter of a village carpenter. Come on, Thomas. We have friends in high places.
Yes, I know that.
We have friends. We're friends with senators, ministers, business moguls. Their daughters are not good enough for you.
Mom,
You want to rub the name of your father in the mud by marrying this Margaret?
Mommy, stop! Stop!
Don't
Baby,
be
stop!
silly. Come back here.
Baby.
Is this boy high or something? You come back and meet me here. What is the meaning of this?